Collaboration is one of the keys to meet sustainability goals. All sectors of society have a key role to play in solving environmental and social challenges. Collective action is the need of the hour. Let me take you through how 5 different people have performed their individual and collective actions together to achieve sustainability in their own capacities. Meet our first sustainability champion, Rajiv, who is the CEO of QSol India. On Rajiv's daily commute to work, he has the habit of checking the news on his phone. Over the last few months, he has been constantly seeing concerning news about climate change around the world. He is reminded of a CEO forum he attended early this year, where leading industry players revealed their plan of action to address climate shifts and adapt their business to the challenges ahead. While trying to uncover concrete information about what his industry in particular can do to become more climate conscious, he stumbles upon the doomsday clock. It leaves him dumbfounded. Rajiv then realizes the importance of acting responsibly for the planet and building a resilient organization that will withstand various climate-related externalities. The dark cloud of the doomsday clock follows him around everywhere. Rajiv is now committed to make QSol India a climate-conscious organization. He is in constant discussion with his team in order to materialize the ideas they have come up with. The first move that Rajiv thinks is imperative to this journey is to establish the office of a Chief Sustainability Officer. He discusses the same with the board members. And then, a CSO is hired to take the initiative forward. Rajiv, along with the CSO, comes up with an approach to start small on the low carbon transition plan and evolve over a period of time as QSol grows in its operations. They also realize that this is the first time they are taking up an initiative of this nature and it needs to be monitored closely for desired results. Let's meet our next sustainability champion, Sundar, employed at QSol India as an employee engagement manager. In his leisure time, he likes to volunteer for community initiatives as well. QSol India's annual employee survey report has been published. Here we see Sundar studying the report very intently. The report illustrates that most employees do not have a complete understanding and appreciation of the sustainability initiatives taken up by the company. Sundar is extremely concerned by the statistics he sees in the annual employee survey. He engages in conversations with multiple employees across the organization. He then presents his findings to Rajiv and the CSO. He has gathered that by encouraging and helping employees make a parallel transition to a sustainable lifestyle on their personal front, it will bring in behavioral shifts in the near term. At the same time, they will play an active role in contributing to the company's low-carbon transition plan. Rajiv and the leadership team believe this will be crucial to have the desired effect across stakeholders. They give him a green signal to go ahead. Sundar evolves a model that is based on a learn, act, achieve, and celebrate approach so that employees are constantly engaged and encouraged in their green journeys. He believes it is also important for the employees to develop a sense of appreciation for their impact on the people around them and the planet. Let's meet our next sustainability champion, Rajiv's wife, Deepika, who is a gardening enthusiast, NGO volunteer coordinator, and a Resident Welfare Association committee member. Back home, Rajiv engages in a deep conversation with his wife Deepika, wherein he mentions to Deepika about the situation that is going to pan out in the coming years due to climate change and how his company is waking up to the challenge and helping employees transition to a sustainable lifestyle. Deepika's thoughts wander to her RWA meetings and she tells Rajiv that the residential community has been having routine discussions on taking steps towards a more sustainable lifestyle. The RWA had also discussed how they wanted to introduce community engagement exercises centered around learning and acting on sustainable living. Later, the RWA believes they would be in a better position to implement green projects and initiatives in their society. You must be wondering who that little girl is, right? Meet our next sustainability champion, Alisha. She is the daughter of Deepika and Rajiv. She is in grade 6 and is a budding climate action enthusiast. She is earnestly listening to her parents' conversation and trying to decipher what they are saying. Alisha hears the word sustainable lifestyle and something clicks in her mind. She recollects the nature walk that she had been on with her classmates, where she got to learn how to appreciate nature's secrets and also that there is always something new to explore. Her school also conducted an upcycling workshop which opened her eyes to the small actions she herself can start taking at school, home, or outdoors on a daily basis. Alicia is excited to follow these actions in her daily life and vows to make small changes to live a sustainable life. She is ecstatic to receive her parents' support. Rajiv and Deepika feel happy to be supporting their daughter. They are also happy that the school has already identified initiatives to make children aware of responsible lifestyle choices. Alicia continues to think of the various actions she can take but also realizes that a lot more action has to be taken to fight the Goliath called climate change and its impacts. Alicia is concerned and worried for her future. Her thoughts wander to her house help, Sarita, and the difficulties that Sarita faced earlier that year when she and her family were uprooted from their home due to floods caused by unexpected rains. She points out to her parents that their actions should consider everyone around them. This gets Rajiv and Deepika thinking, and they realize the larger role they can play together with everyone. A few months down the line, Sarita's life has improved significantly thanks to the work she has seen happening in her community. She was happy to see different people come together and work to make their community livable, healthy, and green. The impact of climate change is felt across different sections of society. It requires concentrated efforts from corporates, civil society, the education sector, and urban residents. They have the power to deliver the desired impact on society as well as the planet. AtQuest is positioning itself to support these joint efforts for every section of the society.